It's time to find out what's in your fridge on the show.
So last week we had a situation. We had a situation where Emily 2 times broke the rules. There's only a limited amount of rules in what's in your fridge.
Yeah.
Number 1 is when you ask a lifestyle question, we get 1 lifestyle question per contestant.
Yep.
It cannot be about food. Her first question is about food.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ridiculous. So we kind of gave her a pass on that one.
Yeah.
Then the second time she messed up is you cannot repeat any guess that has already been asked in the same round. So when we have a contestant on and somebody says cheese, do you have cheese in your fridge? And then somebody else says, do you have cheese in your fridge later in the same round? You automatically lose.
You're done.
That's what happened with Emily. She wasn't paying attention, and so she automatically lost. Now, during this game that we played, we had P1 Nikki on the line with us. This was the most stocked refrigerator we've ever come across.
Yeah.
It was incredible.
Yeah.
I counted, did 16 guesses.
Shut up.
16
Wow.
items in her fridge.
That's crazy.
And she had them all.
Whew.
And so we ran out of time.
Yeah, we did.
And Emily messed up. So we said, all right, here's what we're going to do, Nikki. We're going to call you back next week and continue guessing with you. Because, eventually something's going to hit.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
You can't have the world in her fridge.
Oh, but that's so hard. We're already 16 items deep,
Yeah,
bro.
we are. And so this is going to be very, very difficult. So that's how we're going to begin this week's What's in Your Fridge.
Whew.
You can continue to call, too, 877-570-1053. We'll eventually get to another player, I think.
Yeah, maybe.
I think. So let's get Nikki back on the line. How's it going, Nikki?
Hello again.
How you doing?
Hey.
Good.
Okay, did you go grocery shopping during the week, to restock this incredible refrigerator?
I don't want to give too much away, but I did have to go shopping for some 4th of July.
Oh, okay.
Ah,
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Buckle up.
This is wild. This is wild.
The biggest family on earth.
Yeah.
I know.
So, Nikki, we're 16 guesses in with you, so we will now continue guessing what's in your fridge. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sky, since Emily messed up,
Oh, that's true.
you are first up with Nikki.
Okay, Nikki, I was thinking about you all weekend. I was looking in my fridge.
Really?
Well, because I was wondering, what haven't we guessed? So I was actually looking in my own fridge going, what do I always have in here that we haven't asked Nikki? Something that you will always find in my fridge, Nikki. We know that you're healthy. We assume that based on the non-alcohol drinking answer from last time. Nikki, do you have broccoli in your fridge?
Yes, Guy, I do.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, that's my girl.
Oh, my God.
This is wild.
I
That's
cannot
healthy,
get over
Nikki.
this.
I didn't think she was gonna.
Okay, Thor, you're up.
All right, Nikki. Do you have? Make sure no one guessed it. Hummus in your fridge.
Ooh.
I'm not a big hummus girl.
Nikki, you got broccoli.
Oh, that feels
That
good.
was a risk, too.
That was insane.
That was a crazy guess.
I have 3 things of hummus
I
in my
have
fridge.
0. I don't eat hummus.
yeah.
You a weirdo?
Disgusting. I'm a weirdo.
Yeah, you are a
You
weirdo.
have 3
Yeah.
things of
3,
hummus,
baby.
Hey, guess
3,
what?
baby.
I don't care. You got to eat your coconut.
Yeah, you do.
So that's how it happens in what's in your fridge. Is that if you miss it, you got to eat your least favorite food. For Thor,
Yes, man.
it is coconut. Thank you, Nikki. You were incredible. Thank you for
Yes.
2 weeks of pure.
She was not. I hated her.
Hey,
Don't say that about Nikki.
Eat that coconut.
Yeah.
No, don't
So
don't
much.
do this.
Love
Eat
it.
it.
So
Eat it
much.
up. Eat it up.
Rub it on your
Yeah,
tongue.
pour it in.
La, 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 la.
Oh, the same face he makes every
Every
time.
time.
Every
Every
time.
time.
Like a little kid eating medicine.
Why,
Yeah.
why is he
It's like
Yeah.
so stupid.
waving his hands up?
Yeah, he does like chewy hands.
Disgusting.
Well, don't guess hummus then next time.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Ew,
Okay,
ew,
never mind.
You
Ew.
swallow
It's
it?
Nikki's
Don't.
fault.
Okay,
I hate her.
let's get our next contestant on the line. Let's go to P1 Gamer.
Oh.
Gamer, you are next up in What's in Your Fridge. How's it going, Gamer?
What's that?
What's happening? All right, Gamer, I get the lifestyle question for you. I already hear you're a gamer. So my question for you, Gamer, is how much on average do you game?
Ooh.
For talking daily, about 4 hours.
Oh, a day.
That's a lot.
That is a lot.
I feel like I got this. Gamer, do you have soda in your fridge?
I wouldn't be much of a gamer without it.
That boy. We're talking Mountain Dew Code Red.
Correct.
Can you?
All right, Emily.
That's a big one.
Over to you.
That's a big one.
Okay. I really, really didn't do that well last week, so let's try to pull it together here. Gamer, do you have mayonnaise in your fridge?
Yes.
Was that a question mark?
Yeah.
I felt like
Are you sure?
Okay.
Oh, God.
Sky.
It sounds like Emily was on the same train of thought that I did. Gamers not sitting down and cooking big meals. We're maybe making some hot dogs or something. So, a gamer, do you have ketchup in your fridge?
I do indeed.
Okay.
Okay.
Over to you, Thor.
All right. Gamer. I feel like you're a cheese man.
Big cheese guy.
Big cheese. You may even change the name to P1 Cheese after this.
Really?
Gamer. Do you got the cheese?
I do indeed.
Okay.
You scared me.
I know.
The little guy.
Oh, guy.
So what I thought, what Sky was going to go, she didn't go.
What?
So I'm going to throw it out there.
Oh, God.
What are you doing?
Gamer, you got hot dogs in your fridge?
No.
Oh, my God.
You knew, Eddie. Eddie.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
You're gonna have to.
I can't.
Well,
It
you're
looks
gonna
nice
have
and
to.
fresh.
They're green. The green bell pepper.
The worst for you.
I have to say something.
What?
I cut those bell peppers up earlier, and I ate the other half of it because you don't need that much. And it's not the greatest bell pepper. Like, sometimes you get a good one.
Wow,
Sometimes you
why did
don't.
she have to say that?
Yeah.
That was a real.
That makes
bitchy
it
thing.
so much worse. That makes it so much worse.
That's a bummer.
There was no need to say that.
That's a
It's
bummer.
actually a rotten bell pepper. To be honest. It's
I
rotten.
actually picked the mold off of it and then left you to
I ran over it with my car.
Yeah.
Why are they so massive?
Hey, I don't think
like
that's...
This is
I
It's
feel like
like
that's
eating
like-
the whole
I
thing.
wouldn't say that's
Size
massive.
of
eating a
It's
whole
a
bell
tiny
pepper.
bite.
I know.
It's
I mean,
a
it's
tiny
not.
bite.
It's
can't do it.
equivalent to what
You're gonna
we
have
eat.
to.
So, stop it.
I just put like 8 pounds of coconut in my mouth.
8 pounds.
with a pinch. This is more than a pinch.
What are you, a coconut mule? Come
All right,
on.
Here we go.
Stop.
I hate bell peppers so much.
Yeah. Get it in there.
I don't want to do this.
Oh, no.
Oh, there it is. Oh, no.
Crunch.
The dry heave.
Oh, the first crunch. He didn't... Oh.
Oh my God, look at him.
Oh.
Oh,
It's
it's-
like juices out.
Look at him.
you bite down, it squirts
This is
everything.
Eddie's
Yeah.
worst reaction so far.
I think so, yeah. He's turning
Look
a
at
weird
him.
color.
Look at him.
Okay.
Why is his leg up like that?
Yep. Do that kick, bro.
I don't like that. Oh, that was bad. Oh, God.
Oh, no. Oh,
Okay.
no.
Let's do another contestant.
Oh, God, no. Okay. Woo.
Let's go to Pew and Crystal.
Ah.
Oh, God, that was a stupid guess. Crystal, are you there?
Yeah, hi guys. Good
How
morning.
you doing, Crystal?
Hi.
Pretty good.
Oh, my God. Well, I'm terrible.
Oh.
All right, let's see if Emily can figure this out. Emily,
no.
you got the lifestyle question.
Okay. P1 Crystal, do you have any little ones running around in your house? You got kids?
No, I do not.
What a weird way to ask that question.
Thank you.
That was so weird.
Do you have any little ones? Do you have kids?
Do you have any elves?
What happens to you? What happens?
She loses her mind.
Like
was so weird.
She doesn't know how to ask questions. She really
Yeah.
doesn't know how to guess.
Yeah.
Like the way she said mayonnaise was kind of weird. I felt
I
on the last
thought so, too.
cold
I
call.
felt that way, too.
Yeah.
Like-
And I don't really care if Crystal has kids. I want to know if kids live in the house.
Yeah.
Like,
Good
that's
point.
the actual
Yeah.
question I
And
want.
you who screw up questions every time.
Yeah.
No, mine are great
No, they're not.
questions.
They're really not.
Okay? They're great questions.
All right, Emily, go for it.
All right.
Oh, jeez. Do we have to go through this? I'd rather make her
So
ask.
nervous.
Do you have any yogurt in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Okay. Sky.
Okay. Crystal, do you have any lettuce in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
why did you pause?
Those pauses are crazy.
Big pause.
What is she,
Those pauses
Jeff
are crazy.
Probst?
Over to you, Thor.
Oh, okay, Crystal. I'm going to say butter.
Of course
Of course
you
you
are.
Of course.
Yes, Crystal, of course, has butter. So does Thor.
No, I don't have.
Oh, so much.
I don't have.
He lives in a house
Crystal.
made of butter.
That's true.
Yeah.
Crystal, do you have the vino, little wine, in your fridge?
Yes, Yes, I do.
Atta girl. That's my girl.
No,
wow.
Crystal.
All right, Emily.
Here we go.
All right, Crystal. I feel like you're a salad girl, so I'm going to ask you, do you have salad dressing in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Sky.
Oh, Crystal. Again, looking through my fridge this weekend. What's in here? What do I love? And as a single and as a married woman, I pretty much always have this in my fridge. Crystal, do you have cream cheese in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Wow.
Loves the bagel. Yes. Yes.
Or?
Oh,
Do I need to give a 45-minute explanation of why I'm going to guess this?
Yes, you do.
You have to.
You have to.
Crystal, do you have deli meat in the fridge?
Yes, I do.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
It's stocked up.
Okay. Crystal, since you apparently like salads, I think we've determined that.
Yeah, we have.
Do you have tomatoes in your fridge?
Yes. Yes, I do.
I like you.
Man.
Oh my God.
Emily.
This is crazy.
Emma.
All right. I'm going to stick with the salad situation and ask you if you have cucumber in your fridge.
I bought one yesterday.
Oh my God. That was so
Wow.
awesome. Oh, Emily.
Sky.
Do I do it? I have like a 75% success rate with this one. Eddie's shaking his head no, but I feel Crystal's got it. Crystal, do you have carrots in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Wow. All right, over to Thor.
Oh, God.
All right,
Oh, God.
Christy.
Okay, that's
Crystal.
not. It's Crystal.
All right, Crystal. Do you have the jelly?
Say it like that.
Weirdo.
Do you need to be more specific? Yes, I do.
Oh, I don't know what that meant.
Oh, I like her.
I don't know what that meant.
Yeah.
I don't know what that meant.
Oh, wow.
All right, Crystal. Do you have mustard in your fridge?
Of course.
Okay.
God, this fridge.
All right, over to Emily.
A Vance.
Crystal, do you have juice in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Oh man,
Even with no
we
kids?
got another big stocked fridge here.
Yeah.
Sky.
Crystal, do you have coffee creamer in your fridge?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, God, the pauses. I can't with the pauses.
Thor.
All right, Crystal. Sour cream in the fridge.
Yes, I do.
Oh man.
Oh, my God.
Oh, for a good baked potato.
All right, stick with dairy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go. Crystal, do you have milk in your fridge?
Yes.
Yay. Emily.
Oh, God. I don't want to. I don't want to.
You got to.
Chances she guesses something I already guessed.
Oh yeah. Hi.
Crystal, do you have pickles in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
Wow.
This is crazy.
Sky.
Crystal, it's that time of year. Please tell me you have strawberries in your fridge.
Oh, does it count if they're not good anymore?
Yes.
Well, I don't know. Are they in your fridge?
Yes, they are.
Okay, then it counts. Then it
Yeah.
counts, Sky. You
Mold and all.
Yeah,
I'll
you
take
skirted
it.
that one. Thor.
All right, Crystal. Do you have nectarines in the fridge?
You're
You're
a
psycho,
moron.
dude.
You're a moron.
Psycho.
Nope, they're
Of
on the
course
counter.
not.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Why are they on the counter?
They don't have to be
already, yeah.
refrigerated.
Yeah, they don't
Well,
have to.
that's stupid.
Okay.
Well, that's stupid.
She's letting it ripen up or something.
Woo.
Crystal,
Should be right.
why do you have so much food? My God.
yes.
All right, Thor, you got to eat more coconut. You are the biggest loser in this game.
He is.
Well, sorry, I take chances.
Well, why? You don't have to.
Yeah.
I like the rush.
Okay,
The
eat your
rush.
coconut, boy.
Boy.
Get it down.
Yeah.
Get her
Good
down.
medicine.
There it is. Here comes that dumb face he makes.
Oh,
there,
what is
there it is.
that?
There's that dumb face.
Ew,
Oh.
how
Yeah,
many
it's like
chins
Beavis.
are there?
I don't know.
Oh, my
It's the worst.
God.
There you go.
Yeah.
This week's edition of What's in Your Fridge.